Other than creating your video resume on a website, do you know is there any other method you can use to create your own video resume? Actually, you can create your own video resume by using your own camera and some simple equipment. Today, we're going to share with you how to create video resume by using your own camera. Hi everyone, welcome to Job Majestic channel. I'm Jess. Our channel will be focusing on the content related about job interviews or anything related about work. If you like the content like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow our social media. Today, we're going to share with you how to create your video resume by using a camera. If you need to create your video resume by using your camera, what are the things that you need to prepare? First, write down your script. Write down the script before the shooting. This allows you to have a clear understanding about the content that you're going to present. If you're not sure how to write the script about the video resume, you can click the top right corner of this video. Second, prepare your equipment. Before the shooting, get ready all your equipment. Your smartphone or your camera, tripod, microphone, audio recorder, and lighting equipment. It will be good if you have a DSLR camera to do the shooting. Otherwise, you can also use your own phone to do the shooting. Get ready a tripod because a good tripod can give you a stable scene and avoid shaky footage. If you need a tripod, you can get it easily online. Before the video shooting, double-check the battery usage of the camera or smartphone and audio recorder. This is to avoid flat battery during the video shooting. Third, select a backdrop. Choose a white and pure color backdrop so that your backdrop could look cleaner. Make sure that your place is quiet and adjust the lighting if you have a lighting equipment. Fourth, video shooting. Before the video shooting, get ready all of your equipment, such as your camera and audio recorder. Adjust your position and make sure that your distance with the camera so that it will not out of focus. Early preparation will avoid you to have problems such as low audio recording quality and also avoid the camera out of focus. After you have tested all the equipment, now is the time to start video shooting. During the video shooting, make sure that your face is always facing the direct lighting resources and avoid bad lighting. Make sure that the camera is always focused on your eye and face. During the beginning and the ending of the video shoot, you can create some silent moments so that it's easier for you to do the video editing after all. Remember, do not always look around and always face the camera. Last but not least, smile always. Fifth, editing the video. After you have done your video shoot, now you can edit your video. We will recommend you to use Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to edit your video. You can take out the undesirable part of the video by using this software. Brightness adjustment, noise reduction, adding some words onto the video are possible. You can also add some special effects to enhance the video quality. However, don't use too much of the special effect, otherwise your video might look a little bit unprofessional. Last but not least, add some subtitles to finalize the video. If you record your video by using your own smartphone, you can use InShot to edit. If you're not sure how to use InShot, you can click top right corner of our video to watch the tutorial. Alright, that's all for today. If you think today's video is helpful for you and your friend, remember to like it and share it. If you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section box below. I'm Jess. See you next Monday at 7 PM.